Hello everyone, I'm Henry from Advantech. For next section is Smart Factory sections, and we are bringing the agentic AI to the production line and shop floor that really revolutionize our behavior and intelligence. So let's start from the predictive maintenance, safety AI, and also optimization to the shop floor. So how we do that? Mainly we have IoT suite that aggregate enterprise data, create data lake and knowledge base. But this year we also connect with AI agent that brings us large language model and the data large workflow. How we see that work in the real time and the real worlds. We have the three to four demos today. Also bring our partner from the warehouse domains. For the first sections, you can see we have production optimization agent. This agent you can see from the previous traditional dashboard. Right now we can interact with the data. You can see we have chatbot here, and you can ask the dashboard, please give me more insight information. For example, root cause analysis, early warning, and how to resolve this root cause issue with AI suggestions. And also we operate with the on-site people, communicate device to device from the cloud to edge. This is the one demo. The second is smart maintenance agents. We understand automation is going to everywhere and getting more complicated. So we integrate the machine data, human intelligence experience, and also the maintenance team's historian data. Together, you can excellent simple questions, but get a really comprehensive SOP or maintenance guidance right now. So no longer needs a team or bunch of people or vendors from outside putting the downtime in very long. We are improve that. The third part is SafetyAI. Let me walk through here. SafetyAI is going to be commonly placed, adapt into every corner in the factory. For example, here we have a piece of our edge computing here, which preload the NVIDIA JSON platform and also our vision drag and play visual suite. Simply connect with your CCTV and our edge devices, you can create the recognition model in very short time. For example, we demo here the mask detections or the helmet detection. Those tasks could be done in a couple days, and that's kind of revolutionized compared to previous engineering right now. Okay, so this is a time for me to hand the microphone to my partner, Henry. So I would like to welcome Henry to explain the warehouse part.
Hi everyone, my name is Henry. Let me give you a quick intro about Expetech. And as a joint venture between Advantech and Dadu Mountain Foundation, our core product is here to show you the warehousing execution system as a platform that integrates upstream system like MES, like WMS, and also ERP, and also connect to the various automation applications such like good-to-person application in warehousing for the picking and picking and put away system. And also we have the forward shuttle system. It's automation storage system. And our mission is helping customers to build up an ecosystem for smart warehousing and smart factoring. We are leverage Advantech industry computing. You can see like this computer, and also connect to the Advantech Wi-Fi system platform to support our customer to do more efficiency system and the solution in the future.
Come and explore Smart Factory with Advantech.